Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sherelle, and today we will be doing a very simple everyday makeup look. Today happens to be a day where I don't really want to wear makeup, so the first thing that I did was wash my face, and I used this cream right here. This is the Lancôme Bienfait. What? that's not how you say it. But it's the Lancôme one, but the pink one. So this is really good for like dry skin. It also has SPF in it, so I use it as a daytime moisturizer. We ain't playing games. What I like to do is I put like a little bit of concealer under here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm just gonna go in with my hands for this. Make sure your hands are clean. So I'm just gonna go in my finger and just do patting motions. This concealer shade is very close to my skin color. It's not like a highlighting one, so when you are doing this type of look, you want to make sure that you get a concealer that's very close to your skin tone. Voila! Things are looking good. I need to set it, and I've been liking this hourglass. I've used it in a couple of my videos. I've been liking this. I got the travel size because, you know, we can't be out here paying all this extra money and we don't know, you know, how good it is. So I'm just going to press this under my eyes and on my lids just to set it. Some up here. I do have this discoloration on the side of my face. It's actually on both of my cheeks, but that's just what it is. So, alright. So the next thing is I do my eyebrows, and I don't really fill them up too much. So right now I'm just kind of starting at the base of the brow hairs and just kind of like flickering it out. Sometimes I put on eyeshadow, it depends, but today I'm going to put on a little bit because I just feel like it, okay? I just feel like it, and I'm going to do it. So I'm going into, I'm going into the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I'm gonna go into this color. I've been liking a lot lately. It's kind of like a blush color. It's more on the cool side, but I think it looks really good. And then I'm gonna put, once I put my blush and my lips on, it's gonna be even cuter. So it just adds a little something to the eyes. I do a little bit of contour, nothing major. Okay, everybody calm down everybody out there. I do like to put a little bit of this on. This is the ABH Contour Kit Medium to Tan. I'm actually going to use two different blushes because I love blush, and whenever I do this type of look, I just want to be glowy, you know? So the first blush I'm going to use is this one. It's clearly broken. It's been through a lot. You know, I've had it for a while. It's my favorite blush ever. It's like a peachy tone. It's by NARS and it's called TAOS. A little bit goes a long way. Just know that. Then I like to do my mascara, which is this one. It's the Better Than Sex by Too.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
It's the Better Than Sex Mascara by Too Faced. And so I'm just going to put this on. You can use whatever mascara you want. So today I've been pretty productive so far. And I don't know about you, but I went to CVS This is my receipt. I bought 3 things. This is my receipt. And also I saw this brand over there. I'll put in a clip, but I saw this brand over there that it looked really cute. The display was really cute. It had really nice colors, and then I was like looking at all the shades for like their foundation and stuff, and they all look the same. I was like, you only have one color of foundation? So I don't really know about that, but I was actually attracted to this color because I've been like on the hunt for a brick liquid lipstick, and I was thinking that this might be a good color. So at the end I will I'm gonna try this on. Also have been drinking a ton of water. I've already had almost 2 of these. Hey. And this is, I got this from Target. It's called Contigo, and that's 20 fluid ounces in there. So yes, we in it. Oh, getting a little crazy around here. I forgot to put the second blush on. I was talking about the first blush for so long. I was like, oh my god. Okay, so this is the second one. This is MILANI, and it's called Luminoso. See how peachy it is? Ooh. Okay, like really chill. But this one has like some glowiness to it, and that's what we're about right now. And we can diffuse this with another brush that I forgot to bring in here. So far it looks kind of harsh. I'm not sure what it looks like on camera because there's no viewfinder. Yay! Why am I so sarcastic today? I don't even know what's going on. Put on this highlight here. This is the same one I used in all my other videos because it's my favorite. I'm not trying to be biased or anything, but I freaking love this, by Carli Bybel. She did an excellent job with BH Cosmetics, but I like to use these two. I mix them together and just put it here like this. And then the last thing I did was I just put on this, which is, it's by ColourPop. It's a Lippie stix, and it's in the color Goaldigger. I like this one because it's like peachy. Just take a little bit and then tap it on. So it looks really natural. It looks like your natural lips. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Wait, what? Thank you so much for watching this video, this everyday makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a couple of tips and loved hanging out with me. So if you would like to subscribe, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below so you can see more videos with me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.